Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bharti Puri this side, and today in this video I am very excited to review these products. So I have been testing out the new Shea Butter Hair Care range by The Body Shop. I've been testing it out since 2 weeks now, and I'm finally decided to review it for you guys because I did all my testing and all, and now I've collected few points, and I just wanted to let you know if these products actually work or not, especially for the Indian hair. So the Shea Butter range is very famous from The Body Shop. If you're familiar with The Body Shop as a brand and familiar with the very famous best-selling products, then one of their very famous body care range is the Shea Butter range, and it's one of my favorite as well. I have been using the Shea Butter range for the body section for a very long time. Especially I really like the smell, the perfume. I really like how it smells, especially their body butter. I love using it during the winter time. It's very thick and heavy. So the Shea Butter ingredient is 100% natural, organic, and it has been The Body Shop's first ever community trade ingredient. And the Shea Butter ingredient, this special Shea Butter, it's very famous for its moisturizing properties. So the women in Ghana have been using this Shea Butter for centuries for moisturizing the hair and skin. So now The Body Shop has introduced hair care range made out of Shea Butter. So the Shea Butter hair care range by The Body Shop is recommended for people who have dry to damaged hair. It really works for that kind of hair really well because it has Shea Butter ingredient, which is very famous for its very strong moisturizing power. That is why if your hair is damaged to very dry, or you live in a very dry kind of a city or any state where it's like super dry, so then the Shea Butter hair care range would definitely work out for you. So basically my hair, I have colored it so many times now, and so my hair is very dry and damaged. So it's like dry and damaged. So I have started using this 2 weeks back, and I'll let you know that one thing I'm really loving is the shampoo and the conditioner. Both the combos of the shampoo and conditioner, I'm really liking it. So the shampoo and the conditioner both comes for 645 rupees each, and 645 for the shampoo for 250 ml. Same price goes for the conditioner. So in case you're planning to buy shampoo and conditioner together, then both would cost within 1300 rupees. So I was kind of excited about this range, and at the same time I was kind of scared because Shea Butter is very strong. It has a very strong moisturizing properties. So I was kind of scared that when I received this, I was like, will this actually work out for my kind of hair? Because women in Africa, they have been using the Shea Butter for their hair, and their hair type is totally different compared to the Indian hair type. So Indian hair type is mostly like silky kind of hair type, which is silky and not that curly as the African hair type. So I thought that maybe this might just flatten my hair out, maybe too much moisturizing, I might not get the volume that I need, because for me, I love volume. So I really like bouncing and volume for my hair. So I was kind of scared that the Shea Butter range might just make my hair look flat when I want some volume. So when I used this for the first time, I was pretty shocked. The shampoo, oh my god, the shampoo, I love the shampoo, because usually I don't care about shampoo. Usually I focus more on the conditioner part. So I can just use any kind of shampoo as long as my hair conditioner is a good moisturizing hair conditioner. I don't mind shampoo. But this one, I was kind of impressed. It has a nice lathering texture, so it definitely lathers up pretty well. I made sure that my hair was very wet, and then I used like a coin size of this, and then I just massaged my hair for a while, and then I rinsed it off and followed it up with a conditioner. So the Shea Butter, again, it smells like their very famous Shea Butter range. It has a nice nutty kind of smell, so I really like the scent of these products. And it lathered up very well and it cleaned my hair nicely, and I did not feel like it flattened my hair that much. And at the same time, I would really suggest, in case you're planning to buy the shampoo, make sure you use it with the conditioner, because this shampoo and conditioner works really well together. That way, this is something I would definitely repurchase for myself for sure. I feel I don't mind spending 1400 rupees, 1300 within 1300 rupees for a shampoo and conditioner together. So I'm really loving the volume that I have been getting by using these shampoo and conditioner by the Body Shop. And usually I'm not really a fan of the hair care range that much, and when I used these for the first time, I got really impressed, and now since I have been using it for 2 weeks, I have been hooked. Yes, so this is something I highly recommend. The conditioner is also really good. It's like a thick conditioner, but it is not too thick as well, and you only need again a tiny bit just to apply all over the ends of your hair. And seriously, both the Shea Butter shampoo and the Shea Butter conditioner works very well together. So this is the Shea Butter hair mask, and this one comes for 1545 rupees. And as you can see, I've used this also quite a bit now, and for 1545 rupees you get 250 ml product. And this hair mask is really good. I've been using this hair mask twice a week now. So I like to use this hair mask after I've used the shampoo and conditioner. So just when I need that extra boost of moisture for the ends of my hair, I use just a tiny bit and I massage it all over my palms like this together, and then I just apply it like this, and I leave it on for a good 1 or 2 minutes while I am busy shaving my body, shaving my legs and all. That's when I leave this on for that period of time, so that once I'm done shaving and scrubbing my body, by then the hair mask is also has done its work by then. Then I just rinse it off, and I really like the hair mask. Is also really good. In case you have tried the Body Shop's other hair mask, I would recommend you to try this particular one, because I have tried the other hair mask, and this is something which is like the superstar of hair mask. It's like amazing. I love how it works on my hair and then it gives that nice shine, and my hair feels soft. And now for the Shea Butter. This one costs 1545 rupees for 150 ml. It comes in this very cute packaging, cardboard packaging, and inside it comes in this plastic Ziploc bag. And I have already opened it and transferred a little bit of the amount in a small sample size container that I already have. So I'll just show you. So I transferred the raw Shea Butter in this small sample size container so that I can easily travel with this. I'll just dump it in my handbag and I'm good to go. So basically I really like to use this raw Shea Butter for my lips, to moisturize my lips. So this raw Shea Butter is really good for moisturizing the lips. I love to use this as a lip balm. I swear to God that before I go off to sleep, I use a little bit of this all over my lips, and then in the morning when I wake up, I wake up with a super plump lips, and I really like how well this raw Shea Butter moisturizes really well the lips. So I really like that. And at the same time, I really like to use a little bit of this raw Shea Butter for my cuticles as well, for my fingers and for my toes as well before I go off to sleep. Especially my feet, I like to apply a little bit around my feet, the ankles and all, and just moisturize the heel area and the cuticles around my toes as well. And I wake up with nice soft feet, so I really like using this for that. And I really like to use this for my elbows as well. Anywhere where it needs super strong moisturizing power, this Shea Butter, raw Shea Butter is really great for that. So I really like to, I've been transferring this raw Shea Butter by the Body Shop over here in this small travel size containers, and I like to always carry this along with me so that whenever I need it, I like to use it and I'm good to go. So overall review for these shea butter hair care range by the Body Shop, it's definitely a hit from my side. I really loved how well it performed for my hair, and I'm kind of shocked how well it actually performed for me, that my hair does not feel dry anymore like I repeated in the beginning of this video. So yeah, overall, if there's only one product that you can buy out of all of this, I would suggest that you go for the hair mask. The hair mask is really good, and you only need tiny amount of it, so this is going to at least last you for 2 months at least if you regularly use this like once a week or so. But if it was up to me, I would definitely repurchase the shea butter shampoo and the shea butter conditioner. I will definitely repurchase that because I really love how well it moisturizes my hair, as you can see. So I really love it. I'm so in love with the shampoo and conditioner. So that is one thing I will definitely repurchase once this runs out. Now coming to the raw shea butter by the Body Shop. This one I feel is very expensive, and once I somehow manage to finish this, I'm not going to be repurchasing this for sure because I'm not the DIY kind of a person. So for me, I will not buy this, repurchase it again, because I'm not the type to make homemade body lotions and all that stuff. But if you're the type who is into DIY body care, you know, recipes that you like to make up and all, so you might like this raw shea butter from the Body Shop. It's good. And I've used this little bit for my hair as well. I slept overnight and I shampooed and conditioned it and all, and it really works well for the hair as well. So I like to use this. Basically it's raw shea butter, so you can use it just for anything if you follow the recipes correctly. So guys, thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss my any other future videos and any other future giveaways as well. And give this video a thumbs up and comment down below anything that you want to see regarding the Body Shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care, you guys.